Hello guys, this is also an interview day for my student. Today I'm gonna ask them some question about friends, about family, about school time, about leisure, about something else. Well, the question should be not very difficult. You should be very carefully answer the question because this video will go viral on social media, especially we are going to upload this video on YouTube and TikTok, okay? So hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Asadullah.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Tajikistan.
Very good. Do you have a big family or small family?
I have a big family.
Very good. How many people live in your family?
I have a family, nine.
How many people? 4 people, 5 people?
I have 5 people.
Very good. And do you read a book at home?
Yes, I read a book at home.
Very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. So usually, when this is my advice for you guys. Usually, when you want to answer the question, try to not be stressed. Okay. Try to feel free. Okay, to answer the question because the question should not be very difficult, but only you need to be very careful to answer the question. And when people give you question, try to don't be hurry and don't be stressed. Okay. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name and where are you from?
my name is Yusuf and I am from Tajikistan.
It's very good. And what do you do in Tajikistan? Are you a pupil, a doctor? What's your job?
I am a pupil.
Very good. So, what country are you interested to study in the future?
America.
You do not say American, say America, right? The United States of America, because American is a nation, right? Okay, so do you read a book at home or you play computer games in your free time?
I play with computer in my free time.
Very good. So my last question is about. Can you tell me something about your best friend in English? 4, 5 sentences.
I have many friends. Zara, my best friend is Mustafa. I have 5 friends: Ali John, Rahman Ali, Musayab, and Asadullah.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. So hopefully, usually when people answer the questions, they feel fine, and it's gonna be nice when you answer the question correctly. Okay. So we are going to go to the new students, right? Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Musayab.
Okay. So where are you from?
I am from Nobot.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
It's very good, fantastic. And do you watch film or you play football?
I play football.
Where do you play football? You play football in your street or at school?
I play football. I play football. Go to school.
I play football, not go to school. You need to say I play football at school, right?
I go to school at school.
No. You say I play football at school.
I play football at school.
Very nice. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Sometimes when I'm gonna ask the question from the student, they feel a little bit stressed. So maybe they mistake about the question, but it's not a big problem. Okay. So hello.
Hi,
What's your name and where are you from?
my name is Sadakobi and I'm from in Tajikistan.
It's very nice. Do you read a book every day?
Yes, I book read
read
and every day.
So do you read English book or Tajik book?
It is an English book.
English book, okay. So do you like to fly to America in the future?
In future, I fly in Germany and business a car.
Okay, you need to say in the future I fly to not Germany, but you need to say I fly to Germany and open a business car in there, right? Oh, you are a good boy. You have a nice idea. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Abdurrahman.
Okay, Abdurrahman, how are you? I am good.
I am
Good.
I am good.
Very good. Nice boy. Nice. This is a new student that came here a few days ago, and he's going to learn the ABC and he's going to learn about the different question and sentences. Maybe in our next episode he's going to answer well. So, hello.
Hi,
What's your name and where are you from?
my name is Ali John and I'm from Tajikistan.
Very good. So can you tell me 5 sentences about your day? What do you do from the morning to the evening?
I run every morning in around the park, and I go to extra English every day at 8 o'clock, and I read a book. I speak with my friend, and I go to her house. I go to house. I have a ball. I go to street, and I play football with my friend in street.
Okay, so I have another question for you. Usually, a lot of people go to Russia to work. Do you want also to go to Russia in the future?
No, I don't go to Russia in my future. I go to America because in America many work.
Okay. Usually, people say in America there is a lot of works because it's a land of opportunity. And do you believe it?
Yes, I believe many people because you say in America a lot work.
Okay, very good. And what time do you sleep at night? And what do you usually do at night? Do you read a book or do you sleep early?
I sleep early because I don't read a book. I don't like read a book. When sometimes I read a book English.
Okay, it's very nice. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Mister, hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Very good. So what's your name and where are you from?
I am from Muminabad. Of, I am from.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Thank you. And do you want to be a doctor in the future?
Yeah, I have in the future doctor
Do you want to be a doctor in Muminabad or in Dushanbe?
in Dushanbe.
It's very good. And can you tell me something about your school? How big is your school and how many students study in your school? And is your school expensive or cheap? Can you tell me in general 5 or 6 sentences about your school?
My school is big and have a 300 have many people.
You cannot say 300. You can say my school has 1,000 students, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.